Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you how to do makeup for beginners using affordable products. First we need to apply the moisturizer. Whether your skin is oily or dry, we should never skip the moisturizer. It gives hydration to your skin. It makes the skin soft and supple. I am applying Nivea Soft Moisturizer. It smooths the skin surface for a flawless foundation application. It also helps the makeup to stay longer. After applying the moisturizer, give some 5 minutes before starting the makeup. Let the skin absorb the product. Spread the moisturizer evenly and apply it all over the face and neck. So I am using Nivea moisturizer. It is suitable for all skin types. Next I am applying Nivea lip balm to moisturize my lips. For primer I am using Nykaa Prep Me Up face primer. I am applying it to fill the pores on my nose and the chin area. It reduces fine lines and wrinkles and create a flawless skin. Next I am going to conceal my under eye dark circles. I am using PAC concealer brush 074. I am using orange concealer from PAC concealer palette. Other affordable options are concealer palette from Inside Cosmetics and Illegal orange concealer. This concealer is very pigmented and it has creamy texture and it is very long lasting. Next I am taking this yellow concealer from the same palette to conceal orange color corrector. If you don't have hyperpigmentation under your eyes, you can totally skip this step. If you have light pigmentation, you can use peach corrector. Then I am blending the product using damp beauty blender. Next I am using Maybelline Fit Me concealer to brighten my under eyes. In the affordable range, this is a very good concealer. It is a very lightweight creamy concealer. It is very pigmented and it gives natural coverage. It can be used on the under eyes as well as if you have any small blemishes on the face, it conceals very perfectly. For foundation, I am using Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 330. I am taking small amount of the product and applying it on one side of my face. And then I am blending the product using PAC brush. Dab the product gently into the skin. You can also use a beauty blender to blend the product. It will give some flawless finish. This foundation is a buildable coverage. If you want a little more coverage, you can add little more product. Always start from less product. blender to blend the foundation. I am using Maybelline Fit Me Compact Powder to set the makeup. You can use either loose powder or pressed powder to set the face makeup. I am using powder puff to apply compact powder. I bought this from Amazon. This gives smooth finish to the makeup and it helps the makeup to stay longer. I am applying the powder on the T-zone area, under the eyes and under the cheekbones. It minimizes the appearance of the pores, fine lines, and the makeup stays for a long time. For eyeshadow, I am using Nykaa Eyes on Me 10-in-1 eyeshadow palette Beach Side Peach. First, I am applying this brown color on my crease. This is my transition color. I am using windshield wiper motion to blend the color onto my crease. Next, I am applying this darker brown color to intensify the eyeshadow. I am blending the eyeshadow using the small fluffy brush. Always blend the eyeshadow using a very gentle motion to avoid any harsh lines or patchiness. Today I am going for a matte eyeshadow. You can also highlight the inner corner using any shimmer eyeshadow and also highlight the brow bones. For eyeliner, I am using Maybelline Colossal Eyeliner. I am applying small strokes of eyeliner to define my lash line. Start from the inner corner of the eye and draw a neat stroke along the upper lash line. I am extending it a little along the outer corner of the eyes to make a small winged eyeliner. So this eyeliner gives a great pigmentation. This is one of the best eyeliner in the affordable range. This eyeliner takes 1 minute to dry completely. After drying, it gives a semi-matte jet black finish. It stays for around 6 hours. For eyebrows, I am using Etude House eyebrow pencil. It has spoolie brush on one side and a pencil on the other side. I am using a spoolie brush to brush my hair. Then I am using soft strokes to fill in between the hairs. I am using dark brown shade. It gives a natural color to the eyebrows. So it is perfect for a daily use. For mascara, I am using Maybelline Hypercurl Waterproof Mascara. So I am finishing off the eye makeup by applying a generous amount of mascara. This mascara gives good volume and thickness to the lashes. For contour, I am using Sugar Contour the Force Mini Bronzer. Contour is basically adding definition and shape to your whole face. So I am applying the bronzer underneath my cheekbones and the hairlines, nose and jawline to create a shadow effect. Use a blending brush or a makeup sponge and blend the contour well until the harsh lines disappear. For blush, I am using Sugar Contour the Force Mini Blush in the shade Salmon Superstar. It is a very pigmented blush. As you can see, a very small product goes a long way. It's a peach tone blush. So lightly tap on the cheek and blend it well. It gives a natural looking color. For highlighting, I am using Swiss Beauty Baked Blush and Highlighter. It is a lightweight formula. I am applying it on the high points of my face. It blends effortlessly and it is also a very good highlighter in the affordable range. For lips, I am using PAC lip liner in the shade Mauve. So now I am applying the lip pencil on the outer edge of my lips. It gives some definition to my lips. Always apply a lip liner that is 1 or 2 shades darker than your lipstick. For lipstick, I am taking this nude pink color from Forever 52 lipstick palette. These lipsticks are highly pigmented and it is very long lasting. You can also mix 2 colors and create a new lipstick shade also. That's it guys. I hope you find this useful. If you have any doubts, please let me know in the comments. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.